There's a pretty obvious reason why chicken is the #1 most eaten meat in the world. Whether it's tandoori, parmesan, cordon bleu, kung pao, or tinola, everyone enjoys chicken. So today on Lasang Pinoy, we will do chicken 2 ways. Pero no fancy recipes, please. We'll keep it simply masarap, fried and barbecue. Tikman natin ito.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner! Sa sabong man o sa savory dish, Pinoys are hooked on chicken. At sa Chicken D Lite in Newark, California, the specialty of the house is everyone's favorite fowl, cooked up 2 ways. A knockout tasty fried chicken, and the undisputed favorite, barbecue chicken. But you just can't wing it when it comes to making good manok. Hindi yan chicken feed. Binababad pareho ang fried at barbecue chicken sa iisang marinade. Luya, sibuyas, paminta, laurel, toyo at ilang secret ingredients ang pinagsasama sa isang pot tsaka pakukuluan dito ang manok. Once pulled out and cooled, to make fried chicken, it's dropped into hot oil till done. For barbecue, the marinated chicken is thrown onto the grill and basted with a special secret barbecue sauce. Marami ang nagsasabing swak na swak ang lasa ng barbecue chicken na to sa luto ng isang sikat na restaurant sa Manila. But here, it's served up with a side of java rice, mango achara, shrimp egg rolls, and chicken sopas. Pound for pound, this featherweight's packed with punch. It's the meal of champions.
For once, it's a good thing to be chicken-hearted. From Chicken D Lite, we have Noel Mariano. Welcome to the show, Noel.
Hello.
At mukhang napakasarap ng manok dito. Now, yung story nito, nung bata ka, you like the taste of aristocrat chicken and savory chicken back in the Philippines.
That's correct.
And then, you try to copy the taste?
Pretty much, yes. Inano ko ito, pinaghalo-halo ko siya sa bahay. And sineserve ko siya pagka-party namin.
So kayo lang, nag-experiment kayo hanggang nakuha nyo yung perfect taste?
Yes. Nag-experiment ako, tapos ililista ko siyempre yung anong ginagawa ko, yung mga herb spices na nilalagay ko.
There's a very nice story kasi si Noel comes from a corporate background. You held, it's a regular job, you go to work every day. And then, this is an opportunity for a lot of people who got laid off to get inspiration from your story. Because you were laid off from your job and you figured, now is the time for me to start my own business.
Yes.
Kailan nangyari yun? Last year?
2007.
And then ikwento mo sa amin kung paano mo nalaman, etong manok ang gagawin kong business.
As I said before, nung niluluto ko nga itong mga manok na to, sineserve ko pagka-party. And wala ako sinasabi sa mga guests ko kung, kung anong klase itong siniserve ko sa kanila. Pero nung birthday ng anak ko ng 2007, tinawag nila ako, sabi nila sa amin, paano mo nalaman ng recipe nitong aristocrat at saka ng savory? Yun na naging parang confirmation ko na nakuha ko na yung lasa, I think, kung hindi man
That's a great story. And you were down on your luck, you got laid off from your job, and then you had a talent. It was how to make this chicken, and you told your wife, you know what, honey, this is it.
This is it. Yeah, let's try it.
So nagbukas ang iyong restaurant last year. And so far, kamusta naman ang response ng mga tao?
Pabalik-balik at iba-ibang customer ko doon. Hindi lang mga kababayan natin, kundi mga ibang tao din. At nagugustuhan nila. At paglalabas nga ako doon sa cash register, makikita ko sila, nakaganyan na kagad sa akin yung customer. Your chicken is good. I will definitely come back and bring my,
There's a funny little story about the logo. If you can turn around right here. Your chicken, pinagtatawan ka ng mga customer mo dahil yung manok na yan ay nagtataka sila, ba't ganyan yung drawing?
Yes.
Ano sabi nila?
Kasi itong manok na to, na nakuha nung anak ko, mukhang tandang. Kaya they make a fun about their chicken logo. Sabi nila baka daw ito yung talon na chicken.
That's what lost in the cockfight. Okay, tapos yun ang ginawa mong dish niya. Yun yung kinakain.
Exactly.
Let's call the girls in because I think they've been, craving for this. Kanina pa, nung nakita nila, pagpasok pa lang ng pagkain, sabi niya, wow, ang sarap.
We almost didn't shoot this portion kasi
Because muntik na maubos.
inatak na namin.
Si Tito Noel, kung gumiri, parang tandang.
I know.
Yeah, that's right.
Basahan na nga dito sa manok hindi ni San Pedro, manok ni Noel Mariano.
This is what you will normally get.
Manok ni Saint Noel.
Here you go.
Ay, thank
This is what
you.
you'll normally get.
This is what you will normally get
Uh-huh.
pagka umorder kayo ng meal na fried chicken sa amin.
Okay.
Comes with ito yung savory style na fried chicken namin. At comes with the gravy. Tapos meron din siya na shrimp roll. At meron kami special na dipping sauce dun sa spring roll.
You know, for $8, this whole meal is pretty reasonable, and the taste
And tasty.
we have yet to
Tita Noel,
judge.
itong barbecued chicken mo, it's very, very crisp on the outside, pero ang lambot sa loob, and it's so
Thank you.
tasty. Ang daming, parang you can really tell, ang daming spices na pumasok dito sa
Yung
sa
manok
timplang
lang
to.
itself, may lasa na siya. But once you dip it in the sauce, it's gonna be totally different. Para ho nasa ibang
Ano guys?
Para nasa
World.
ibang planeta ako.
Bisitahin natin yung restaurant
Great.
ni Noel. Okay, well, thanks very much for coming to the show and sharing your success story with us.
Thank you so
We
much.
have
Look
to-
forward having you guys.
Oh, yes. Definitely.
Well, thank you. Thank you sa My Wedding Expressions in Daly City for the flowers on the set, and Super Bongga Datilas for my hair and makeup.
And Tito Tony Ling of Ling Nam in South San Francisco for the catering in the studio.
At guys, sa susunod na linggo ulit, sama-sama tayo sa nag-iisang bayan ng Pinoy sa telebisyon, ang
Adobo
Nation!